Welcome to learn Manipuri language. In this video I am going to translate accusative pronouns into Manipuri language. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new video. Here are the accusative pronouns. Number 1. Me, in Manipuri.
Aibu,
Example of,
Aibu,
he called me. In some cases like the following sentence, he gave me a pen. We must use the word
Aingonda,
instead of the word
Aibu,
because in such cases the real meaning of the pronoun me is to me. The same must be applied to all the following pronouns in Manipuri language. In such cases, you must use the second meaning of the pronoun in Manipuri language. Number 2. Us, in Manipuri.
Aikoibu,
Example of,
Aikoibu,
he called us. Or,
Aikoida,
example of,
Aikoida,
he gave us some money. Number 3. You, in Manipuri.
Nangbu,
Example of,
Nangbu,
he called you. Or,
Nangonda,
example of,
Nangonda,
he gave you a pen. Number 4. You, in Manipuri.
Nakoibu,
Example of,
Nakoibu,
he called you. Or,
Nakoida,
example of,
Nakoida,
he gave you some money. Number 5. Him, in Manipuri.
Mahakpu,
Example of,
Mahakpu,
Tom called him. Or,
Mangonda,
example of,
Mangonda,
Tom gave him a pen. Number 6. Her in Manipuri language is the same as the him in Manipuri language. Number 7. Them, in Manipuri.
Makoibu,
Example of,
Makoibu,
Tom called them. Or,
Makoida,
example of,
Makoida,
Tom gave them some money. Number 8. It, in Manipuri.
Machi,
Example of,
Machi,
it is a pen. Or,
Mashibu,
example of,
Mashibu.
Tom gave it to me. That's all for today. If you like my video, please hit that like button and share this video for me. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.